create a new composition. Choose any dimensions you want and the frame rate. Drag your snapshot or image into your timeline. Now create about 3 nulls and link them to one another. Select all layers and turn on 3D. Now on Null 1, dive into the property and create a keyframe for all properties. Move a couple of frames and now change the properties to what you prefer. Go to the graphic editor and ease your keyframes to create a smooth animation. On the second null, just before the end of the first null end keyframes, create a start keyframe and move some frames forward. And now, change the properties. Ease your keyframes and continue the process for the third null. Create new nulls and follow the same procedure, and don't forget to ease your keyframes. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to join my Discord server for updates. For direct message, kindly join my Telegram channel.